Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with the essentials: replacement pads, a small flat tool or spudger, and a soft cloth. You power the headphones off and confirm left versus right so you don't swap pads. Once ready, wedge the tool under the pad edge and pry gently. This releases the retention lip. You want to work around the circumference in small segments so the ring pops free without tearing. Do this now. It's fast and prevents damage to the cup finish while exposing the mounting channel. You clean the mounting channel thoroughly, removing old foam and sticky residue with a microfiber cloth. This helps the pad seat evenly. Then align the new pad's inner lip with the cup groove, matching any seam or valve as your starting point. Once aligned, press the lip into the groove in 10 to 15 millimeter increments, rotating around the cup to distribute tension. This method prevents wrinkles and ensures the pad sits flush. Make sure the fabric doesn't bunch. Before moving, you finish by working the final sections of the lip into the groove, pressing firmly to create a uniform seal. Once fully seated, run your fingers around the ring to verify there are no gaps and the pad isn't twisted. Put the headphones on and listen for passive isolation. This confirms the seal and comfort. If something feels off, squeak, loose edge, or misalignment, remove the pad, clean the channel again, and reseat. That troubleshooting step fixes most fit issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.